So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you run this, you want to expand mice and other points and devices, and then you want to find your mouse. You might have just only one mouse installed on your computer right now, but it might actually show multiple mouses, so you want to do this for all of them. So you want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Now once you run this, if you have anything that says point.exe or pointer.exe, you want to find it. You might not have it by the way, but if you do have it, you want to right click on it, click on properties, and then click on compatibility, and then you want to tick run this program in compatibility mode, and then click on OK. See if that fixes your problem. Now for the second method, your mouse might come with a software like mine one does. I've got the Logitech G43 Hero mouse, and it comes with Logitech G-Hub software. If your mouse comes with a software, you want to head over to the software, click on your mouse, and then click on settings, and then make sure that your firmware is up to date. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and then type in mouse settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on additional mouse settings. And now you want to click on pointer options and make sure that your pointer speed is on fast. And then click on OK. Now once you tried all these steps and methods, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.